In this video, I'll show you how to use GraphQL. GraphQL, you may know from other software, but here, what you have unique is GraphQL Cloud. So every file you write here, you can collaborate live with your friends and you can store those files directly in cloud. Those might be needed lately for tests, end-to-end tests, basically, um, for your front end, for code generators. You can, of course, synchronize all the files to your repository. Uh, but let me show you how it works. So this is simple graphical. So let's create a query menu, and here I want my pizzas. I want my pizzas with name, price, description, ingredients, of course, and I want just name of the ingredient. Let me execute that, and you can see response table right here. You can also display it as JSON. You can also copy everything easily. So if I want to copy just this small thing, it gets copied. Okay, and I can click Ctrl S. I can create new files, and I can work in GraphQL Cloud right here. If I do something like this, that, and okay, I play, it works still, but I have this prettify button, and when I click prettify button, everything gets back to its place. Okay, thank you for this really short video.